Example number 2. Construction work consists of activity with first duration in days. Determine the probability of completing the job in 32 days. So this is the one of the construction project is there, and it is expected to complete within 32 days. The activity and predecessors it has given here. So activity P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, Y, and Z. So these are the activities. P predecessors not there. So here Q, P dash T means P and T will come together. R, Q, yes, nothing is there. T, yes, will be there. U, not there. W, yes. Y, yes. And Z, UW. So this is the after completing this activity, this will start. This is the predecessor. After completing this activity, this will start. After that, three times as it was. T0 means optimistic times. T0 will be optimistic times. After that, most likely times and pessimistic times. Optimistic times means every conditions in our favor, that project will get complete. Moderate, normal conditions, the activity will get complete. And pessimistic time means everything is against us, even though this activity will get complete like this. So here's related to first P activity, optimistic time is 3, then most likely 6, pessimistic 9. So related to this 489, 489 related to this R activity 459, 459. Then S activity 333. S activity 333. Then T activity 8, 14, 17. 8, 14, 17. Then U 147. 147. Then W 2514. Then Y 473. 13. And last one 615 13. 615 13. So this is your time for each activity. So this is the chart for our project. So what is expected? The project should be get completed within the 32 days. What is the probability? It is correct. It will get complete within 32 days using 80%, 90%, or 45%, whatever may be. So here's we have to calculate the probability. So as usual, so what actually we are expecting, first of all, we require network diagram. So how to make network diagram? So today we make the network diagram little bit uh, in the different way. How to give the sequence of each activity 1, 2, 3 like this. Is it correct? So first of all, the P reducer activity is not there. Yes, also not there. U also not there. Means our P, yes, and U will start from first node or event. So this 1, 2, 3. This will start from first event. This is the first event. Here the activity required to space for mean and variations also be required. Here we will take this. This is the let us consider one. Okay. So this activity PSU, it will start from the one. So here it is a P. This is activity P. Then this activity will be yes. And this activity will be okay. So P, yes, and U. These times I will not give numbers. Correct. So because many times we get confused. Which is the first number, which is second, third, fourth, fifth. Now, how to decide that sequence? Through these diagrams, I will explain. So here, three activity P, S, U start from one. Okay. This is over, this is over, this is over. Okay. Now Q will start from PT. This Q will start from P at T. Okay, where is the P again? Yes. T will start from yes. T will start from yes. So where is the yes? Yes. After completing yes, T will start. So here is the completion for yes and T will start. And T and T together means it will go like this. So here is the T. Correct. So there is a T means our T activity. This is over. And after that, now this will be there. Now P is over. So here P S is over. Now Q. Q will start from PT. So Q will start from Q will start from this. So this is the Q. Q is there. Now this is over. Okay. Now R will start from Q. Here is the Q is there. R will start from here. R. So here is the R. Correct. Means this will get over. Then U will start from this. U already was. W will start from yes. W will start from yes. And U and W together. U and W together. So U and W together. And W will start from yes. So yes, there is the N. U is here. U and W. So there is yes. W will be there. W will be there. After that, Y will start from yes. Y will start from yes. So this is the and Z will start from this. So this is to our last activity. So this is the Y last activity and Z will start from U and so this is the Z. This is the network diagram. Now how to give the number? Up to here it is clear. How to make this diagram? Anybody having any doubt? Hello? Any doubt is there? You got the concept? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. Now, shall we go for numbering? My sound is audible? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? My sound is audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello? Hello? Okay. Now, we have to give numbers. How to give the numbers? So initially, one number is there. So this activity starts from one. And so from here, outgoing activity, this is outgoing, this is outgoing. So you can get cancel this activity like this you have to remark. Okay, and give the number one. So after that, this part you have to remove and you can think only this. Okay. So for this, outgoing activity and incoming activity is there. For this is already cut. So only outgoing activity is there. That means yes, you can give the two now and cancel this activity, this activity, this activity. Correct. For numbering purpose, you have to mark like. Now two is over. After that, you have to go for three. So which is remaining this and this. So out of this, this is cancel. This is the cancel. Only outgoing is this. Here outgoing. Outgoing is this. Out of this, you can give any number to three. Correct. So I will give three number to here. And after that, four number is here. Okay. So this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. And after that, which is remaining? This and this. So after four, here will be five, and this will be six. And after this, you will do this mark. This will be marked. Correct. So like this, we can give the numbering. Like this, we can give the number. Have you got the concept how to give the numbering? How to give the numbering? Hello. Hello. How to give the numbering? How to give the numbering? Have you got the concept? Hello. 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 आपको ये किस clear? Hello. 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 Up to here it is clear. Hello.
Okay.
Now, after this, we have to find out the critical activity. In order to find out the critical activity, we have to find out mean. So here mean will be there and here is the variance. So how to calculate mean? Mean, we have to calculate T is equal to T0 plus 4T plus T divided by 6. Divided by 6. So here T0 is 3 and TM is 6. 6 into 4 plus 3 plus 9 divided by 6. How much there? How much? 6. So here it is 6. We 6. After that, next activity, T0 is 4 plus 8 into 4. 8 into 4 plus T divided by 6. So how much mean is that? 7.5. This is the 7.5. Correct. 7.5. Now next R activity. R activity 4 5 into 4 plus this divided by 6. So here it is 5. Then yes, 3 into 4 plus 3 divided by 6. What is the yes? Yes. Yes, that will be 3. So it is the 3. Average so it is the 3. Then similarly T. Similarly T, you have to calculate how much T will be there. 13.5. Similarly U, that is the 4. W is the 6. Y, that is the 7.5 and you can get it checked mean by using this formula. Mean you have right. After writing this mean, based on the each activity you have to write in bracket. So what is the P activity? Mean duration is the 6 here. Then after that Q, duration is 7.5. Duration is 7.5. So here Q duration is 7.5. Then R duration is 5.5. R is duration of 5.5. Then yes, this is the 3. Yes. Yes, this is the 3. T 13.5. U, that is the 4. W, this is 14. 6, not 14. And Y, that is 7.5. 7.5. Then Z, that is the 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. So this mean times here we have to write mean time. Correct? Mean time was it completion. Correct? After this we have to find out the critical activity. In order to find out the critical activity, everywhere you have to make this. Okay. Now find out the earliest start time. So this is the earliest start time. Yes. And this is the PLC. Latest completed time. Earliest start time. Here we are ready. And after that we are calculate. We can go to each. Okay. Now initially it is 0 So what is the earliest start time or activity T? Earliest start time activity T. So here node number 2 is there. So let us start from 1 to 2. What is the earliest start time? 0 duration is 3. Here we can write 3. Now 3 you can come to 3. So here two activities is there. This is one, this is the second. Correct. Now which is the maximum? So 6 plus 0, 6 will be there. I have 13.5 plus 3. So here it will be 16.5. So here it is 16.5. 16.5. So here it is 16.5. 16.5. Correct. Now you can calculate all this. Calculate. And then we will get our thousand. आमच्याकडे सध्या आहे पण पेरला आम्ही घ्यायची म्हणत होतो. पुढल्या महिन्यात असं की आता तरी कोविड प्रॉब्लेम होते बाहेर जायचं मग आता कधी या महिन्यात टाकताय ऑक्टोबर डिसेंबर हा ऑक्टोबर मध्ये घेऊ द्या का डिसेंबर मध्ये घेऊ द्या बरोबर चालेल डिसेंबर मध्ये हा हा ओके काय ओके तुम्ही जे काय करताय ना आमचं गेट पास आमच्या बनवल्यावर पाठवा. कधी घ्यायचं ते सांगा फक्त. एक आम्हाला कॉपी पाठवा की काय कधी घ्यायचं. आणि कटिंग करू. हा बरोबर. आणि 50,000 कटिंग 50,000 1,00,000 त्या कटिंग मध्ये टाकतो ना. नाही कटिंग फुलं आहे काय कमी करायचं असेल तर कमी करा. काय काय कमी करू शकता. 10,000 आम्ही म्हणतो 40,000 करता येईल. हा चालतंय. ओके काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. कटिंग ऑइल आणि कटिंग टूल्स. हा ओके 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 ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे ओके. काय चार वेळेला कटिंग टूल्स किती वर टाकले Hello, calculated. Calculated.
So what is the earliest start times for four numbers? Earliest start times for my sound is audible, no? Tell anybody what is the earliest start times for node number 4? 55, 52 numbers. Hello? 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 काय आवाजच येत. Hello?
Yes, sir.
50 numbers. What is the earliest start times for node number 4?
9, sir. 9.
Hello? Calculated or not? Hello? Okay. So earliest start times for this. Which is the maximum 4 plus 0, 4. And here it is 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is there, number 4, 5 is there. So 16.5 plus 7.5. How much here? How much here? 24. So here it is the 24. After that 24 plus 5 is 29.5. Right. So this is the earliest start time for each activity. Forward pass. Then we have to go for backward. So here, whatever the value is the same value to be here, 29.5. So this minus this, you will get 29.5. Correct. We come to this 5, 4 is there. So here 29 minus 16. So how much there? How much there? 13.5. So here is 13.5. 16 minus this. Now you come to 3. 3. 24 minus 7.5 here is 16.5. Number 2. 2 number is here. So 16.5 minus 13.5. So here it is 15. And here it is 0. So now where earliest start time and latest completion time is equal. So here it is equal, here it is equal. That means your critical path will be like this way. So here is your critical path. This one, after this one, and this. So this is your critical path. This is your critical path. So here I will write the critical path 1, 2, 3. 3 to 5 and 5 to 6. So 1 to 2 activity yes. Then 2 to 3 activity T. After that activity Q and after this activity R. Yes, T, Q, R. This is the critical path. This is the critical path. So you can find out the critical path activity, their means and their variance. So here critical path activity and their mean and variance. So activity on critical path. Activity on critical path. So which activity is there here? Yes, activity will be there. First activity is there. Yes. So yes is there. What is the meaning of this? And you have to calculate the variance. Yes, after this T will be there. After this Q will be there. And after this R. Corresponding mean. Yes, what is the mean here? What is the mean here? 3. So here, yes, mean is the 3. Here is the 3. T, what is the mean? T, the mean is 13.5. 13.5. Then Q. Q, what is the mean? 7.5. R. So what is the mean here? 5.5. No variance. How to calculate variance? We have to calculate this variance. What is the formula for this variance? Variance TP minus, what is the minus T0 divided by C bracket square. So here TP minus T0. TP minus T0 divided by C bracket. So you have to calculate this. Yes. Variation here. For years. Yes, for years how much? For years how much here? TP. TPS is the TP is 3. T0 is 3. Correct. Divided by 6 bracket square. That is the 0. So here it is a 0. You can write here 0. Because this is the 3, this is 3 divided by 6. 0. Now come to this T. Here, this is 17. T0 is 8.
17 minus 8, 9, 9 divided by 6, bracket square. So bracket square answer is 2.25. Variation for T. Variations for Q. Q here, 9 is there, 9 minus 4. That is 5. 5 divided by 6 bracket square. So Q value is 0.94. And after that, last one, R. R here, 5.5 mean the same thing will be there because this is set. The same thing will be there. 0.694. Now, what is the total duration of critical activity? This total duration summation of all 29.5. And what is the total of this variation? 3.638. This is the total of variation, total of duration of the critical activity. Correct. Now we have to calculate the probability of completing the job within 32 days. So what is that formula? Statistical normal distribution formula is that probability distribution that is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. Sigma x is the probability of the completing job 32. This is actually the duration of critical activity, and this sigma is the root of variance. Root of variance, that means here P, this is probability 32 days. So it is 32 days, this one, minus duration of critical activity 25 divided by root of variation 3.638. So what is the answer here? What is the answer here? 1.91. 1.13. 1.123. So answer is 1.13. Now we have to see the normal distribution tables for this and calculate this. So it is expected to complete this project within the 95 days. So this is the probability. You can see the standard common distribution and find out the answer. So 1.3, how we can find out this? 1.3 vertical and here 0.01 horizontal. Junction point of this is your normal distribution. Sir. Whatever value we get, this is the probability of the job. Maybe this 98%. 98%. This is the first job. Now you can ask any questions. Anybody having any problems? Hello? So shall we go for next problems? Hello? Shall we go for next problems? Up to here it is clear? Hello? Hello? Hello.
Shall we go for next problem? Okay. So everybody has got the concept. So last answer is 1.31. You can see the normal distribution curve table, and in that table probability may be 98%. Because the table is there. How to find out this value in the table? 1.3 that making the rate. After that 0.01 will be there. Horizontal vertical 1.3 out of the search, and horizontal 0.01 you have to search. Whatever junction will be there, that is the probability. So this is the probability to complete our job within 32 days. This is about the course. Now we go for one more problem. So example number 3. So yes, directly enumerate that. Activity A, B, C, D, F, G, and H. So for ABC, nothing is there. For D, A will be there. For E, B will be there. For F, C will be there. For G, D, E will be there. And H, F, G will be there. Here it is optimistic time. Most likely time, and where it is pessimistic time. So for A activity 117, so it 117. For B activity 147, 147. For C activity 228. For C activity 228. Then for D activity 111. 111. E activity 254. 254. Then F activity 258. 258. Then G activity 3650. 3650. Then 1, 2, 3 last one. So this is the project. Now after this, as usual,
You have to calculate mean and variance and get variance. Mean and variance. Okay. So as usual, we have to decide the network diagram. So initially, one should be there here, one. Again, at last I will give the number. So activity A, B, C starts from this one. So activity A, B, C, this will start from one. So this is the activity A. B will be here. Then C will be here. After that, when this three activity is over, D will start from A. D will start from A and D and E are in one position. So D will start from here. Here is the D, but E and E will be in one place. So very clearly, E will start from D. E will start from E and E will end to D. So here is the D. So this D A. D will start from A. After that, E will start from B, but E and D are equal. Means here E will be here. So here will be E. E and E will start from B. E will start from B, and B and E will be one place, and from this G will start. From this G will start. G will be there. Now G will start from B, and H will start from F1 C. So where is the F? F will start from C. F will start from this, and F and C are in one position. F will start from C. F will start from C. So yeah, F1 C are equal to here. F will be there. F will start from C and F and G are at one place. And after that, H will start. So H will start. So H will start from here. Clear? So anybody having any problems up here? Hello? Now we can use the numbers. We can use the numbers. Every activity is noted. So A is there, B is there, B is there, D is there, E is there, F is there, E is there, and H. Okay. Now we can do the numbers. So first one number, all others activity. This is the A. This is the B, and this is calculator. Now we come from this 1, 2, 3. So let us get equal this. So from every activity, one outgoing activity is there. One outgoing activity is there. So you can use this second, third numbers as per your wish. Because every activity that is going away from this particular node. Now this one, you cancel this only activity. This will cancel one activity. This will cancel. You can do any number of this. But here I will give two numbers, three numbers, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. 5, 6, 7. You can change also this number, because every activity, one outgoing activity is there. So you can change this as well. After giving this two number, this we get cancelled, which remaining percentage. Out of this, we can give it actually. When you come to this four. After that, this is remaining 5. Okay. Now you have to calculate mean of this. Correct. So you have to calculate mean of this. So tomorrow we'll complete this remaining problems because our time is over. So only 1 minute is there. But before that, you can try to solve this problem. And tomorrow we'll discuss same problems and then we'll proceed to the one more problems. The second variety of the same problem. This is first variety of the problems of course. Tomorrow we'll go for next variety of the problems in the parts. Okay. So today we will stop here. Okay. Thank you. सर तुम्हाला नाही दोन दोन मोबाईल घेऊन बसलो एक राऊंडसाठी व्हिडिओसाठी असं चाललंय का ते आज मोरे सरांनी दिले नाही यांच्यावर लिंक पाठवून इथे ठेवला आणि दोन्हीच्या मध्ये मी आवाज गेला काहीतरी करा ना तुम्ही असंच एका तासात ते प्रॉब्लेम होते तरी सुद्धा संपतंय आम्ही कसं आहे दोन्ही डिव्हिजन अडतीस लेक्चर झाले बघा 38 जाधव सर
करायचं